5 Best Ego Lawn Mower Reviews Worth to Buy on Amazon, All Things Gardener. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ego 56V Select Cut Self-Propelled Lawn Mower, LM2130 SV. Ego 56V Peak Power Self-Propelled Lawn Mower, LM2142 SV. It will provide you the power you need for an even cut. Ego Lawn Mower 56V Steel Deck Self-Propelled, LM2020 SV. Steel decks, on the whole, can withstand more punishment. Ego 56V Self-Propelled Lawn Mower, LM2102 SV. Ego 56V Push Mower, LM2101. The Ego LM2101 Push Mower Kit is one of the most affordable battery-powered lawn mowers on the market, and lasts longer, which is very useful if you have a large yard.